This video provides an overview of the steps for installing the CAPXLCAM USB camera kit into an existing CAPXL unit. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Adding video functionality to your CAPXL will require more robust network capacity. After you install the CAPXLCAM, the CAPXL will be functionally the same as our model CAPXLV. For each installed CAPXLV, LiftMaster recommends a minimum upload speed of 5 megabits per second. This means an installation with 2 CAPXLV controllers should plan to provide a minimum upload speed of 10 megabits per second. Additional bandwidth may be needed considering usage of other devices on the network, like cameras and computers. Network proximity is another consideration. For Ethernet connections, the CAPXLV location must be within 300 feet of the network switch or router. For Wi-Fi connections, the signal strength must be sufficiently strong. Wi-Fi extenders should be avoided because they introduce latency and can negatively affect video quality. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure the CAPXL has the latest firmware. Updating the firmware will cause the CAPXL to be inoperable for up to 30 minutes. For this reason, it's best to be at the job site when updating the firmware. You need to ensure the property entrance is properly secured during the update. You also need to confirm the update has successfully completed and that normal operation of the CAPXL has resumed. To check the firmware version, log in to MyQBusiness. Select the facility. Select Device Management. Click on the device. Look at the firmware version. If the version is lower than 2.0, you will need to update. If you haven't updated the firmware in a while, it's a good idea to update it anyway. Click Update Firmware only once. On the pop-up window, confirm by clicking Update Firmware. The display on the CAPXL may cycle through various screens. Do not turn off the CAPXL. The controller will restart once the firmware update is complete. Refresh your browser to confirm the updated firmware version. Camera status will show offline. It's time to install the camera. The CAPXLCAM comes with CAPXLCAM assembly with bracket attached, a USB cable, 2 screws for mounting into CAPXL, tie wraps. The CAPXLCAM kit is the only USB camera supported by CAPXL and MyQBusiness video features. Disconnect all electrical power to the CAPXL and any powered accessories such as gate operators and mag locks. Open the door on the CAPXL unit and locate the camera mounting area. Remove the existing bracket by loosening and removing the wing nut. Discard the bracket. Ensure the CAPXL camera window is clean and free of any obstructions. Cleaning the camera window with a clean lens wipe or lens cloth is recommended. Carefully remove the lens cap from the CAPXLCAM. Plug the USB cable into the CAPXLCAM. Use the included mounting hardware to attach the new bracket with camera to the CAPXL. Securely tighten mounting hardware. The USB cable plugs into the bottom edge of the control board. Locate USB port number 3 and carefully remove the dummy plug using pliers. You must use USB port number 3. Avoid using any other USB ports. Plug the USB cable into USB port number 3. Carefully route the USB cable along the left side of the control board and secure using tie wraps. Restore power to the CAPXL, any powered accessories such as gate operators and mag locks. Enable admin mode by flipping dip switch number 1 on the power internet board to the on position. Next, let's check the view from the camera. In MyQ Business, click to expand the menu bar. Click Device Management. Choose the controller you just installed the camera into. Click Video Settings. The live feed window will update with a view from the camera. Click the play button to start the video stream. On the CAPXL display, tap the Audio Video tab. You will be able to see the live feed from the camera. To adjust the camera position, open the CAPXLV and loosen the 2 mounting screws. Adjust the position and tighten the screws. Then, close the CAPXLV. To complete the setup, give the camera a name. Select the door associated with the camera. Turn on Enable Recording to capture video events. You will need the proper subscription for this service. 3 days of free video storage of activities is included in the standard subscription package. Click Save. From the dashboard, click Video Streaming. Click the play button for the video stream you want to view. Move the mouse over the playback window and click the icon in the corner to expand to full screen. Click the icon again to exit full screen. Disable admin mode by flipping dip switch number 1 on the CAPXLV power internet board to the off position. The updated home screen will show a picture in picture view from the camera, along with a warning banner. The buttons you see may appear different due to the firmware updates. For more information, visit partner.liftmaster.com